Welcome Sats Busters, and this is question 1. The numbers in this sequence increase by the same amount each time. Now remember, increase means go up. So they're going up by the same amount each time. And all we've got to do is find the missing numbers. Well, what we're going to do is look at the gaps we've got so far. We've got very little information, but what we do know is we know that from 42 to 49, that's a gap of 7. And because it goes up by the same amount each time, that means it is always plus 7. So it's going to be from, if it's 42 to 49 plus 7, we're going to plus another 7 onto 49. Well, 49 plus 7 is 56. Plus another 7 onto 56, that takes us to 63. And plus another 7 onto 63, that takes us to 70. Now, we do have the box here. Now, if we are plusing 7 to go that way, when we go the opposite way, we would have to do the opposite of plus 7, which is minus 7. So we've actually got to do 42 minus 7. Now, if you knock off 7 from 42, or subtract 7 from 42, you're left with 35. So this first box must be 35. Now, seeing as this is question 1, people should be getting this one right, but you'd be amazed how many people get question 1 wrong because they're only just getting warmed up. They're not properly warmed up, and they make a silly mistake and they rush it because they think it's easy. So please make sure you take your time on a question 1 because it should be easy, and it is easy as long as you take your time and don't make a silly mistake.